Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I apply my false eyelashes, and I am going to be using some falsies from Shopmissa, and they are called Cate. They are some wispy medium length eyelashes, and for this you're just going to need some tweezers and some lash glue. So when taking them out of the packaging, you're going to want to be very careful so that you don't end up ripping the lashes. So just slowly remove it this way. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. Now you want to take your lashes and place them on your lash line and see how they measure up against your eye. You do this and you just take note of how much excess you may need to cut off. So for these lashes, I'm just gonna have to cut off this much. And now the lashes fit my eyes much better. Now I'm just gonna do the same for the other side. And always make sure to cut this end of the lashes and not this end, because if you see, the lashes are smaller on this side and longer on this side, so you always want to cut off on the side that is longer. And it's pretty much about the same amount that I had to cut off from the other lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and now for lash glue, I am going to be using this strip adhesive from Lash couture. And I like this glue because it's a little brush. I feel that this glue is easier to manage than the other glues, especially if you're a beginner. Now I'm just gonna take my lash with my tweezers. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of glue to these lashes. So I apply about this much. I don't know if you can see. Just a very thin layer on the lash band. And if you see, I have the lashes being held by the tweezers right in the middle, because that's where I'm going to apply my lash first. Now I'm just gonna give this about 30 seconds so that it can dry and the glue can get tacky. Because if you apply it before the glue gets tacky, then it will be sliding off your eye. It won't attach to your lash line at all. Now I'm just gonna go in and apply it as close to my lash line as possible. Then I'm gonna take this side and do the same thing. And I like to go in and make sure that every part is attached. And that's how it looks on. And I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other side. So as you see, just a thin layer. You can pick up on that. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing for this side. Get it as close to the lash line as possible. And this how my other lash looks. This how they both look. Now, some additional tips that I would like to give you so that your lashes can look nice is to put some eyeliner and some mascara before you apply your lashes. It will help to hide the glue, and it will help to make the lash band look more natural. Also, you can apply mascara on your falsies, but I rather apply them on my natural eyelashes because that way my falsies don't get full of product. Also, it is good to go back in with your eyeliner once you have applied your falsies, because sometimes some of your eyeliner can get removed by the lash glue and by the movement of the lash once you're applying it. I personally use this Sephora brand eyeliner, and it's really black and it stays on for a long time. So if you're looking for any suggestions, I will leave all of the products used in this video in the description box. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me at HeyVanity21 on Instagram. Thank you for watching.